Understanding your generated Western Verify credit report. Hi there, let's break down the Western Verify credit report so you can easily understand it. The report has 5 key sections: identifying information, public records, collections, credit history, and inquiries. Section 1 is identifying information, what it includes. Names reported by data furnishers. This section lists all the names associated with the credit history. It helps verify your identity and ensures the report belongs to you. Current and former addresses. Here, you'll find the client's current address and up to 2 previous addresses, along with the dates they were first reported. Social Security number, SSN, and date of birth. If available, the client's SSN and date of birth are included to further verify your identity. Employment information. Details about the client's current and previous employers, including positions held and dates of employment. How to read it. This section confirms that the credit report is the client's by cross-referencing personal information. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any confusion with someone else's credit history. Section 2. Public records. What it includes. Bankruptcies. Information about any bankruptcies you have filed, including the type, date filed, and current status. Civil judgments. Details of any civil judgments against your client, including the amount owed and the date of the judgment. Tax liens. Information about any unpaid taxes that have resulted in liens against any client property. Each entry includes the source, date, liability amount, and current status. Section 3. Collections. What it includes. Collection agencies. Names and contact details of agencies attempting to collect debts on behalf of original creditors. Account information. Details about each account in collections, including the amount owed, the date the debt was placed in collections, and the original creditor. Each entry shows the amount owed and the status of the debt. Section 4. Credit history. What it includes. Account types. Details about different types of accounts, such as revolving, credit cards, installment, loans, mortgage, and open accounts. Account status. Information about each account's status, including whether it is open, closed, current, or delinquent. Payment history. The client's payment behavior over time, showing whether payments were made on time or if there were any delinquencies. Credit limit. The maximum credit amount approved. Balance. The amount currently owed. Past due. Any overdue amounts. Monthly payment. The required monthly payment. Available credit. The percentage of credit available based on your credit limit and current balance. Section 5. Inquiries. What it includes. Hard inquiries. Requests from lenders to review your credit report, typically associated with credit applications. These can affect a credit score. Soft inquiries. Requests made by companies for background checks or pre-approval offers. These do not affect a credit score. Excessive hard inquiries can lower a credit score. Understanding VantageScore 4.0. VantageScore 4.0 is a credit scoring model created by Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. It provides lenders with a consistent measure of a consumer's credit risk. Key components of VantageScore 4.0. Score range. VantageScore 4.0 ranges from 300 to 850. A higher score indicates lower credit risk. Score factors. Payment history. 40%. It indicates whether you've paid your credit accounts on time. Age and type of credit. 21%. It reflects the age of your credit accounts and the types of credit you have. Credit utilization. 20%. It measures the amount of available credit you're using. Total balances. 11%. It considers the total amount of debt you owe. Recent credit behavior. 5%. It includes recent inquiries and newly opened accounts. Available credit. 3%. The total amount of credit available to you. How to interpret your VantageScore 4.0. Excellent. 781 to 850. You are likely to be approved for credit at the most favorable terms. Good. 661 to 780. You are a good credit risk and will generally be approved for credit, but not necessarily at the best terms. Fair. 601 to 660. You may be approved for credit, but at higher interest rates. Poor. 500 to 600. You may have difficulty obtaining credit and will likely pay higher interest rates if approved. Very poor. 300 to 499. You are considered a high credit risk and may be denied credit altogether. This guide provides a clear and straightforward explanation of each section, making it easier for you to interpret your credit report and take control of your financial future. For more information or assistance, contact your Western Verify representative or visit www.westernverify.com.